Welcome to another edition of the HD video series by Airwolf 3D. In this video, we'll show you how to print with PLA. We'll start off by opening matter control and preheating the extruder to 260 degrees. We'll use this setting to purge out any previous ABS that's in the extruder head. For the bed, let's go ahead and preheat this to 70. While we're waiting for everything to preheat, go ahead and flip your glass over and cover one side with blue painter's tape. We are now ready to purge the ABS. Take your PLA and cut it at an angle so that it feeds properly into the extruder. Pull out the previous filament and go ahead and insert the PLA. Make sure the PLA is fed all the way up into the tube and down into the extruder. Push it until you see some of the previous material coming out the nozzle. Go back into matter control and select 100 millimeters on the manual extrusion setting. Click E+ so that it extrude. You want to now extrude about 500 to 1000 millimeters of PLA plastic to purge out the previous ABS that was in the nozzle. In matter control, go to slice settings. We will now import the default PLA settings provided by Airwolf 3D. Hit options and then import. It is important to make sure that you are using the slicer engine inside matter control. Browse to where the default PLA settings are located and go ahead and hit open. One thing we'll want to check is to make sure that the fan will be on at all times. In the slicer engine, go to filament, then under cooling, make sure enable auto cooling is checked. This is very important. You can now go back into printer controls and change the extruder temperature to 220. Once to temperature, go ahead and choose the item you'd like to print and hit start.